subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has officially launched its new X series phone in India called Honor X9b. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X9b features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K curved AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Honor X9b sports a triple camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 108-megapixel main camera with f1.75 aperture, plus 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5,800 mAh battery, with 35 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13, based on Magic OS 7.2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP53 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.6 by 75.5 by 8 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor X9b has been priced in India at 25,999 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in midnight black and sunrise orange color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X9b smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.